Okay.
So this will be our famous espresso martini. We're gonna
Crazy
start
famous.
with Stoli vanilla vodka. Get a nice amount of ice in this shaker to build up our drink. Next is gonna be Kahlua. Then we're gonna add a shot of fresh Aldo's espresso. This is his Orient espresso roast.
That's such a
which
good
we serve
one.
here at the restaurant. Gives us a big shake.
A lot of shake on this.
A lot of
one,
shake.
right? Lot of shake
Work
on
those
this
muscles. I'm gonna strain these in. Shake
Good
all
more
that foam
shake.
out of there because that foam is the best part. With a couple of espresso beans for garnish.
People travel for these.
They do.
They do. Cheers.
Cheers.